This is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Friday, the 28th of March, 2014. As you get ready for class on Monday, I'd like you to read Unit 61 out of the book. And I'd like you to think about the following couple of questions. The first question is, if we think about one of these dark clouds, maybe like a Bach globule, here we go, is it going to stay like that forever, or is it going to change? And what's the force that's going to cause it to go from this down to being a star? Second of all, as we think about that cloud, do we expect it to be perfectly stationary, or do we expect that there's a chance that it might actually be rotating a little bit? And if it does, what does that mean about the rotation of the star that's produced a little bit later? The third question is that as this thing collapses down, do we expect it to stay a nice sphere if it started off as a sphere? Or do we expect it to actually change its shape a little bit? Do we expect, in other words, for the collapse along this direction, the vertical direction, how do we expect that collapse to be compared to the horizontal direction? Then finally, giving your answers to all of that, what is going on here? This is a source that's a Herbig-Haro object. What is this stuff that we're seeing here, and what's this red stuff that we see from the top and bottom? We'll talk about that and more when we get together on Monday. See you then.